Oh, it's not a photo, it's a video. Good morning, happy campers. This is our sleeping spot from last night. We're in Himalayan Nature Park in Kufri city. So in our sleeping spot over there, someone came next to us and talked to us and welcomed us to his shop selling fabrics, and we charged our phone, had our breakfast here, and met some new people. It was amazing. Every day is amazing in India, so come join us in India. Let's travel, caravanning, eating only fruits, rarely any cooked food. Yeah, monkey attack us. I think they don't like take photos. Yeah. And snow.
To try to scare us, I think, and catch something from our backpack.
Yeah. Snow in summertime means we're in mountain.
Like this.
Footprint. Ram Ram. Oh no, Shiva. Yeah, that was our sleeping spot. This little place.
Under the stone roof. So I think.
Ram Ram bhai sahab. Ram Ram, Om Namah Shivaya. Oh, shop's opening, okay. Medicine garlic. Cool. Ah, it's small garlic for medicine.
Nuts.
Nuts? Have? Let's buy. Or save for chairs.
Walnut nut.
Or save for chairs or play.
Maybe you have Visa.
Card, So here we are in Himalayan Nature Zoo. Nature Park something. I'm gonna show you guys more as we get to the entrance. Horsies! Hi, horsey! You're a strong horse. Huh? Temple? Hello. क्या बोलना था? क्या बोलो? चले को देखे? Bonfire with DJ.
No bhoda, no hop, no photographer.
Vampire DJ.
You know bonfire?
Vampire, yeah.
With DJ. Winter stuff. Wow, so many horses. Never seen so many horses in one place before, actually. Wow. Hey, yaar, don't hit. Be nice. Hello, yaar.
Hello, brother.
Jai Bolnath. More horses. In mountains have no roads, it's horses way, I guess. Ram Ram.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Yeah, amazing.
Jai Bolnath. Jai Bolnath. Jai Bolnath. नहीं यार, जय बोलनाथ. Yeah, touristic place, full power. I see from the style of shops. Horse, yeah.
For tourists.
Sightseeing, it means seeing some beautiful place, like go more up and see beautiful place. Sight, it's like seeing, it's seeing.
Sightseeing.
Yeah. Yeah, we take good turn off main road. Make some interesting video. Ram Ram. Good morning.
Good morning. Amazing morning.
Yeah.
Not just good.
Maybe open door?
Sure.
Comfort. Hello, my friend.
Much.
Can you hold camera? Something falling. Knife falling. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, sir.
Take care of yourself. Bye bye. And we continue to Kasol. Lift. Some special cows with long hair and long horns. Also interesting. So that was our last hitchhike. And I changed clothes because it was really cold at night, but really hot during the day. Changed the gear. And now we continue on to Kasol with lift. Taxi also possible, remember?
No, it's like taxi.
Cool. Car lift?
Lift.
Can you give us lift?
Where you want to go?
We're going to Kasol. But you can give us short lift, it's okay. Where you turning, we off. We stay on main road.
Are you okay with that?
Yes. Thank you. Can we use the baggage? Trunk?
You want to put it back?
Yes. One backpack.
Hold it down.
I hold it for you. Okay, I hold it. I hold it for you.
Yeah,
Arm. Can you hold?
Okay.
You want front or back?
Get easy, huh? Get easy.
Yes.
But Kasol is not in
This direction.
No?
Yes, this direction. Shimla is this direction.
Yeah, yeah.
We're going from Mountain Road.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Tirth.
Tirth Yatra. What's your name, friend?
My name is Ashish.
Ashish. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, glad I'm meeting you.
Good name, Ashish.
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 Ashish in Hindi.
In Hindi?
Ashish is blessing.
Blessing. Okay.
Blessing. Okay.
Jai Bholenath.
Jai.
Oh no, Shivaya.
Where are you coming from?
We started in Mumbai.
Oh, it will be a little tough for you to go towards that. Just keep on asking people.
Dried apples. Thank you, my friend.
I'll give you one more. If you like it, it will be helpful. It will be salty.
Salty. Okay. Thank you.
We can eat just for.
They're very good for eating.
Yeah, like chips.
So much. Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. One,
Put two backpacks.
two.
Yeah.
Friends invited us to sit with them in this nice little shop. Thank you, my friend.
Yeah.
Enjoying our lives.
सब विद्यमान सब ऐसा नहीं है
वो जो टूल पड़ा है ना ऊपर और एक कन्नी तोड़ने वाला
अपनी दुकान क्यों हाँ नहीं की
और टूल पड़े हैं सामने
हाथ कट पर है एक बार सारे चारों ओर आने दो ना फिर
मैं तेरे को यहीं बैठे बता दूंगा उसके इतना से मांगे
ये है बंदे ज्यादा खास
उसमें जितने भी टूल पड़ा सारे दिखा
अपने प्रोग्राम में बंदे
वो तेरे को 6 और 7 के बीच में घर जाएगा उसकी जो भी चीज़ है
So we were walking and left hitchhiking as we usually do, and this friend from the truck said, "Let me try a lift for you." So we're waiting for him and lifting at the same moment. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Same here.
Ram Ram.
Take care. Best of journey.
Okay, trying to fit in now. Okay. Oh, thank you. Bye bye. And continue enjoy our lives. HDFC. Have a lot. Police station also HDFC Bank. Show me. Show me. Neat traveler. New subscriber. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Take care.
Take care, bro.
Bye bye.
Grim, where are we?
We are somewhere in India.
Name of the city?
Tio?
Tiok, yes, we are in Tiok city now. We are continuing our road by lift in Himalaya mountains, Himachal Pradesh. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Om Namah Shivaya.
Jai Bholenath.
Nature.
Ram bhai sahab. Lift? Yeah. Okay. Bagage first, possible.
Where are you going?
This way. When you turn, we off. We keep the main road.
Two possible?
Yeah, for sure.
And me first, it's short. You're
Okay.
short, mine longer. The long side. Sorry guys. Can you hold?
Yes. Maybe lay down?
Lay down my back?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Thank you so much, sir. What's your name?
My name is Vicky.
Vicky, nice to meet you.
Hi. Vlogging.
Yes, my YouTube channel.
Thank you so much.
Where are you from?
I'm from United States of America.
Okay.
Oh, it's video. I tried to take a photo, but it's a video. Wow, beautiful. Enjoy the view, guys. And this is Situ River. So what is your job?
Professionally, I do also. I also saying you. Professionally, my work was cinematography, photography, wedding shoot, model shoot,
Very nice.
corporate shoot.
Currently what you're doing?
Sorry.
Now what you're doing?
Now, yeah.
Yeah, videos. Okay, which
yeah.
project you working on now?
Today I'm all Himalayan. Sorry, Himachal tourism.
Himachal tourism.
Yep,
Okay, very
Himachal
nice.
tourism. So many hotels, restaurants, like corporate shoot.
For advertisement.
Yeah, for advertising.
What kind of cameras are you using?
I have a Canon Mark IV
Canon Mark IV.
yeah.
And the drone?
and the drone Phantom 4 Pro.
Phantom 4 Pro. Very nice. Cool, man. And what makes you happy in life?
My work.
Your work?
Yeah.
You enjoy your work?
I enjoy my work. I
That's
love
so
my work.
nice. Amazing.
Yeah.
So cool, man. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Thank you.
We got another hitchhike. Thank you, bro. Beautiful place, beautiful people, enjoying our lives. So if you guys noticed, as we continue north, the terrain changes, and now we have eucalyptus trees, eucalyptus forests.
And for everyone.
continue going on the road. And there are just tiny towns like this. Kind of like villages. There's just a few kilometers and then it's back to the road with nothing, and then another one after a few kilometers. So lots of little villages, which is nice. You're never on like some long road with nothing between. And Hitchhike works great, and you know, enjoying our lives. Bye bye, take care, thank you so much. Amazing ride, comfort ride. Luxury car. Okay, continue road. Thank you, yaar. Another hitchhike. Bye bye. Such a nice car, such a nice hitchhike. Continue to enjoy our lives. Hello! Sunset. Beautiful sunset.
Let's take this place.
Is this a caterpillar? No, it's Grim. I'm talking to camera. And this is our beautiful sleeping spot from last night. City of Command in India. Amazing, really. Two. Bye bye, beautiful place. Thank you for hosting us. Wow, such beautiful areas. Let's go to the main road and keep hitchhiking. Доброе утро.
Доброе утро.
Казал?
Сказал. Это прекрасно.
Чего это?
Это лиственница.
Дерево.
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 Дерево. Смотри, в 5 охватов. 5 people come to hug this tree. Это Химачал. Да-да-да.
Hello, doggy. You guys are so fluffy, aren't you? So fluffy and cute. And what about you? Are you a fluffy dog? No, okay. You're also fluffy. Oh, so cute. There's some amazing view down there, and Grim is taking some photos. And it's a hard road to go down. I already went down once. It was such a beautiful sight. My sleeping bag fell down and I don't want to go again, but Grim's there taking photos for me. You can see those photos on his Instagram, which is you can see it on Neat Traveler, on my stories at ARK, something like that. How long is your hair?
11 years.
What's your favorite color?
Any color. What I have. Don't know. Now I like green around.
Do you like to fly?
every moment.
Grim, can you take?
Oh!
1 minute, 1 minute.
1 minute, stop.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Minute.
Bamboo. Sorry, big bag. Okay.
Come on.
Stay video. Some more. Can you hold to the front, maximum front? You can, as much as you can. Stay. Yes, video. And this morning, here we are on a bamboo hitchhike with all our bags and belongings. Enjoy. Oh, I help you. My arm's stuck. Full stuck. Oh, sorry guys, bye. Resin. Okay, so we just got dropped off here. And we're gonna continue walking. Beautiful place. Himalayas, yeah.
Maybe 25 kilometers more than. Okay. Yes. Yeah, brother.
Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Volnath.
Vicky.
No.
My name is Vicky.
Wiki. Second Wiki I'm meeting.
You Vicky?
Om Namah Shivaya. No, I am Rohan.
Rohan. And you, brother?
I'm Grim.
Grim.
Yes. Nice to meet you too.
Panda safe?
Yes.
Thank you, brother.
Relax.
Okay.
Cap hat.
Himachal Pradesh. Very nice.
Traditional, yes.
I like. I present father one like this. Father have collection of different country. I was, yes.
Where you from? You from?
I was.
Nighttime vlog. We made it to the temple in this hitchhike. There's my backpack and cute van and temple. And cute van. Good night, happy campers.